Alright, going to attempt to make some lumpia with my Filipina.
Good luck.
So she's already fried up the meat here, ground beef. The peppers from the backyard?
Yeah.
Oh no. Just cook yourself?
Yeah. Chicken.
Okay, so we got the green peppers, we got some cheese, we got the meat, and we got the wraps. So she's got me set up here. I've never done this before, so.
Yeah?
No.
No.
So I just give a good little stretch.
Yeah, stretch it then.
Stretch it, and a piece of cheese.
Usually, like, I cook a little bit this one, but like put in the microwave. So it's like
Pre-cook the pepper a little bit.
But actually, this time this is too small. We need big, but I can't find it.
Yeah.
So what the heck? See how I love the meat? The meat. Up there.
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Man, how you do that? I mean, you're gonna wrap it.
Yeah. Just like that. And then roll it. Roll it. When you get to the center, fold. Fold the other side. And then roll it again.
Just like a little burrito.
Yeah, exactly.
Did you ever work at Taco Bell?
No.
Do you guys have Taco Bell here? Maybe in Manila or something?
Yeah, in Manila.
And there's just water?
Water just to close the rock.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay,
It's like
ready?
just like that. Yeah.
Okay, so.
This is my song. Spicy everywhere.
Okay, tell me how much more meat? Or is that.
Yeah, you can. You can add more if you want.
I don't know, I'll just tell me.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay. I fold these. I forget. So this one,
Yeah.
and tuck it in
Yeah. Yeah.
like this,
Yeah. Okay.
and that.
Yeah. Roll again. Yeah.
That.
And then close there. This side.
Oh, I broke already. Close.
So I can have it.
And
Yeah.
now fold them over.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need to put like names on them so we can see which ones did I do bad.
Yeah. Put some.
And then-
Close it.
Just make it like.
Oh yeah, you can lick it too. You can lick it too. See, you made it.
Someone out there knows what I'm referring to. I don't partake, but you know. Yeah, there you go. Good job, Ryan. Good job.
What? I washed my hands yesterday.
You okay? Good.
Just you know.
Yeah, I need to move on to the next one because this one is ugly. It doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
But-
Did you close it? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You made it.
Yeah.
Same size.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're getting good.
Okay, I gotta try again. It's funny because maybe I didn't try like a lot of different foods and stuff when I was younger. I thought I was pretty good about trying different foods, but I had a friend I wonder if he ever watches this, but Brandon Lawrence, call him, what do they call him? Lumpia.
Lumpa?
Yeah, we call him Lumpia. I think that's what they call him. It's from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. He's a little short guy. Loompa, doompa, doopity doo. But anyways, yeah, he would always talk to me about Lumpia. And I don't know why, that's what makes me think of it, but I remember that. I never tried it, and I'm like, then I come here and I'm like, oh my god, I love this.
Yeah. As you can see, a lot of peppers here because Jeffrey loves spicy.
Oh yeah.
He wants extra. This green thing is already spicy, but he wants extra spicy.
Yeah.
You know what's gonna happen if you have extra spicy?
You're gonna have a Filipina.
Fire in the butt.
Fire in the hole. You like, I have it better for some reason. Oh yeah, look at this. It's beautiful. I should have played like I don't know how to do it, because then she'll make me do this all the time. You gotta play stupid, guys. Be like, I don't know how to cook. And then you don't have to cook. Right?
You should move it a little bit there.
Move what?
Your
It's falling over.
not in the center, a little bit there.
Oh yeah.
So you have
In the center of the wrapper?
space. Yeah, you have space to
Yeah.
roll it.
That was my plan. Right in the center. Do you like roll it under? Or you just...
Yeah, roll it.
I was curious how you do it. And then, is that pinch it right here? Pinch it. And then roll it over. This is some thick paper too.
Yeah.
I worked at Taco Bell when I was a kid. I
So
should
you know how to roll it?
I should have known this. That was also like 30 years ago.
Should you roll it like that?
Kinda, yeah. Close.
See how good JP is?
Lumpia with me love.
Stop recording?
No, it's recording.
I don't see anything in the screen.
The screen goes to sleep.
Ah, okay.
Do one more? Last one?
Yeah, do it.
Last one.
Way he finished a lot. Very good. Is that for your? That's for your dinner.
Oh, it's a little tiny one. I hope a lot of...
Did you put cheese?
Yeah?
Oh.
It's invisible cheese.
Invisible.
I hope a lot of Filipinos watch this video and just make fun of me. This is funny.
Practice makes perfect. More practice. At least you try.
You know what I'm good at is eating.
Eating.
Yeah.
I think everyone. I think all of us are only good in eating.
Did you hear that? Sammy thought it was funny too.
Mm. Hey.
Alright, time to go to bed. Time to go to bed, Pee-Pee. Oh. Don't mind that, guys.
It's so cute.
Oh, this one is murdered too.
May some people like bash you, but a lot of Filipinos also will say, "Oh wow, at least he tried."
How Was this one like destroyed in the fryer?
Oh my goodness.
Was it
Actually, it's not your fault. The wrapper is a little bit old already, so it's dry.
Oh yeah. That's what I thought. Yeah.
Blame the wrapper.
Blame the wrapper. Good.
See, JP finished a lot. How many did you make?
Probably like 5 or 6.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, a dozen.
A dozen.
So you have a dozen for 2 meals.
Thanks for the lesson.
For 2 meals. Here.
Yeah.
Just for 2 meals. A
All
dozen
right.
for 2 meals.
Look at that.
No more?
A little bit. Alright, lumpia. Next is going in the fryer. And then my tum tum.
My tum tum.
You just gotta like keep turning them. 1, 2, 3 at a time. 'Cause I'm a newbie. Do I just turn them?
No, you wait. You need to wait. Yeah, you can also turn, but yee, JP is a cook. See, he's cooking in the Philippines.
There we go. I flip them, and then they just flip over. How's that? Is that good?
More a little bit.
More a little bit. I feel like I'm drowned in them, like pushing them down so they can't breathe underwater. Help me. I'll just put them in there. Yeah. More? Good? No?
You want more a little bit more brown.
Yeah, like a little brown.
Yeah. You like brown, right? Did you flip it?
Yeah, every time I flip them, they just flip back. See? See? Ah! I need like one of these. You have like a flat one of these and put it over top. Protect it from
Yeah. Some of these.
splatter screen, what do you want to call it?
I think that's enough, love.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want to burn. I'll just burn love. Woo! Bang bang. Oh, that one just unfolded. I'm gonna try to doctor it. Stay in there like a good little, almost call it taquito.
If you try to find a husband, make sure he know how to cook. Like him. Make sure he also working in the kitchen. You should try to find like Jeffy, multitasking.
You know what? I might not be a good cook, but I can learn things really fast. Oh, maybe I shouldn't say that.
You should find guys like Jeffy. All Filipinas, pay attention to this.
Find me a foreigner like yours. Find me a canoe.
Yeah, that's what
Where
they
do I
always
find
say.
one?
See?
Oh yes.
Lumpia. Perfect. How many you need? You gonna cook it all?
Oh, I was just cooking. I need.
Flip it, love. It look like it's
6, I guess. Just
6. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Only you gonna eat it. Like I'm
Yeah.
not hungry.
Oh, I forgot. I was on a mission. I was just cooking. I was gonna cook them all.
Yeah. The rest we gonna put in the freezer.
Yes, that one started to come undone.
Hmm?
Yeah, this one it unfolded like almost halfway, and I just wrapped
Yeah,
it in
I
the
think
oil
that's
and
the one
pushed it
you.
down. Oh
broke the
yeah,
wrapper?
yeah. Oh yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's the one you always like open.
I'm sure it's one of them that I made. Alright, that is cooking lumpia with my Filipina.
JP cookies Filipina. That's how JP.
Alright, I don't need you anymore.
Oh yeah,
I
yay!
can make lumpia.
See, you're a fast learner.
Yeah.
I think that's enough, love.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
You can put this one all there.
Doesn't like.
See, this is how Filipina. We can. Use our hand. Yeah, leave it, love.
Oh yeah. This is
So
this
show
is-
here, love. What you get?
Show it. Oh.
Show what you get. So that's your dinner.
Yeah, that's my dinner. I'm just gonna get a plate and put it right there. Boom, set it right there. That's my dinner.
This is my right side. Yeah.
we had a late lunch, so it's just lumpia for tonight. I probably won't even eat half of these.
And then the
For me
rest
it is.
are midnight snacks.
Yeah, the rest, yeah.
Okay. What happened this?
That's the one that.
Smells good.
All right, lumpia with my Filipina. Thanks for watching. Say goodbye. Love.
Bye.